music production, the term glue is often used to describe the process of making various elements of a track sound cohesive. Here are the top 5 tips to help you glue your mix together. Use compression. Compression is a powerful tool that can help create a sense of sonic cohesion. By using a low ratio, long attack time, and a release time that follows the groove of the music, you can achieve a natural, glued-together sound. Utilize plugins. There are numerous plugins available that can assist in achieving a cohesive mix. For instance, the UAD Studio A800 and the SSL Mixbus are popular plugins used for this purpose. Mix using buses. Grouping major instruments together in a bus and applying group compression or EQ is an effective way to create a glued-together sound. This allows multiple sounds, instruments to be processed at the same time with the same effects. Ensure clean recordings. Clean recordings and noise-free audio files are essential for a cohesive mix. This is the first step towards achieving a glued-together sound. Use reverb and delay sparingly. Reverb and delay can be great tools for adding depth and space to a mix, but they can also make a mix sound disjointed if used excessively. Use these effects sparingly and in a way that enhances the overall cohesion of the mix. The goal of gluing a mix together is to make all the different elements sound like a single unit. By following these tips, you can create a mix that sounds cohesive and well blended. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.